Welcome to Cooking Tips 5S. If your morning feels rushed, cast your worries aside. Allow me to guide you in transforming the humble ingredients resting in your refrigerator into 3 swift, incredibly convenient, and visually breathtaking egg masterpieces. Dish 1. The octopus, sausage and egg embrace. We begin with an enchanting octopus egg creation. Delicately crack 2 farm-fresh eggs into a ceramic bowl, awakening their flavours with a whisper of fine sea salt and a scattering of aromatic black pepper before whisking them into a luminous ribbon. Take a savory sausage and with precise shears slice the lower half into delicate tentacles. Warming a skillet over a gentle flame, mist it with oil, and use a culinary brush to paint a glistening, sheer veil across the surface. Nestle the sausage in the heart of the pan, gently pressing so the tentacles blossom outward. Slowly cascade the golden egg mixture, allowing it to gracefully envelop our centerpiece. A finishing shower of black sesame seeds adds a striking visual contrast. Once the egg has achieved a pillowy, tender set, transfer it to a plate and crown it with an elegant, swirling vortex of vibrant ketchup. Dish 2. The garden-ringed sunny-side egg. Our second culinary endeavour is even more effortless. With a precise blade, carve a flawless ring of crimson bell pepper and a few delicate translucent halos of sweet onion. Meticulously dice any remaining edges along with vibrant green and yellow bell peppers, setting these jewels aside for our final act. Returning to our shimmering skillet, glossed with a whisper of oil, arrange the vibrant pepper and onion rings. Gently crack a single pristine egg directly into the heart of each vegetable halo. A delicate dusting of sea salt and cracked pepper awakens the senses before covering the pan. In mere moments, the gentle heat reveals a beautifully clean, deeply nourishing and exquisitely tender vegetable-cradled egg. Dish 3. Cheese-crowned garden omelette rings. Finally, we arrive at our most opulent, upgraded creation. Gather the finely diced onions and bell peppers we reserved earlier into a bowl. Introduce 2 more farm-fresh eggs, seasoning with salt and cracked black pepper, whisking everything into a vibrant, harmonious blend. Arrange fresh onion and bell pepper rings into the gently warmed oiled skillet and delicately ladle the vegetable-studded egg mixture until each ring is brimming with golden promise. Now for the culinary masterpiece. Drape a luxurious slice of cheddar over the pepper rings and shower the onion rings with a generous scattering of cubed cheese. Cover the skillet, allowing the trapped heat to coax the cheese into a glorious, bubbling melt. Transfer to a plate, draw a blade through the center, and behold, the perfectly tender filling, weaving flawlessly with an endless, mesmerizing stretch of molten cheese. Utterly convenient, and bursting with wholesome nourishment,